Look. I'm telling you right now, if your credit score does not start with an 8, then you need to boost your credit score this exact way. All right, ladies and gents, and if you are looking to boost and build your credit score because you're trying to get that house, that car, whatever you're trying to get up under the sun, then this is the actual video that's going to be tailor-made for you right now. This is the strategy that you need, ladies and gents. In this lesson, I'm gonna give you a different way on how you can build your credit so you will not look bad to these lenders and you will not be denied as well. One of my subs actually did this and the turnover rate was actually pretty shocking to me. So I wanna actually give you this strategy so you can be in a way better position just like they are. So go ahead, go get your pen and paper. I'll wait right here, and without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, and before we get started, I just wanna ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps my channel out a ton. I truly appreciate all you guys' support, all right? But enough of me rambling, let's get back to how you need to build your credit. So when it comes to your actual credit report, I like to continue to this in all you guys' heads, and plus I know I get new people each and every day, so I have to let you guys know all the time, please, it's not about your score, it's about your credit profile, or what I like to call what's up under the hood of that actual score that you got. So yes, you may have a 700 credit score, you might think that you big chillin', everything, you might think that you're on top of the world, but you can still get denied with a 700 credit score. Why? Because you have the score, but you don't have the profile. Your score is not strong enough, it's really fabricated, if I like to say. The reason why I like to say that is because you can have literally just one thing on your credit profile, and let's just say you're on time with that payment, no matter what it is. Let's say you never looked at your credit profile and you paid something on time one time. You can literally have a 700 credit score just like that. It's so easy to do that. But with the person that has a well strategy and a well thought out and a strong credit profile, they can have, let's just say, a 680 or something like that, but they have all the things that they need, they paid everything on time, and it's just so happened that they just have a little lower credit score than you. I promise you they'll get approved for something before you do, or they might get a higher limit. So I just like to let you guys know that each and every time. So with that information right there, what I mean by having a well strategized actual credit profile, you need to have installment loans, credit cards, and even more. And I already know somebody's gonna be in my comments, well, you trying to put us in debt, you trying to do this. No, I'm not. I'm trying to tell you and show you how to be responsible to use these credit products so you will not get denied, all right? This is what I'm telling. I'm not telling you go into consumer debt. I promise, I'll never tell you to do that. But again, I'm going to show you how to do this without getting any serious inquiries so you can get all these products, all right? So let's start out with the actual primary trade lines I want you to add to your credit profile. And the first one that I wanna give you is Ava Credit. If you haven't heard of Ava Credit, it's a big game changer. They actually provide an installment loan that you can add to your credit profile without any hard inquiry. And it doesn't even stop there, ladies and gents. Ava has no minimum credit score requirement. That means if you could have a 500 credit score right now watching this and you go apply and you will instantly get approved. And again, it doesn't stop there. Ava still offers something else besides the secure savings loan that I'm telling you. They also provide a credit card. Yes, Ava has a credit card and a secured loan. And I'm about to go into detail about all of them. Also, with that information right there, you can see your credit score raised in a matter of 7 days with Ava. And this isn't just me telling you this. I'm not just blowing smoke. I'm not trying to give you some fluff or something like that. Ava is literally telling you this themselves, that you will possibly see a rise in your credit score within 7 days. That's a whole week. And if you don't know anything about credit products, most credit products, it takes up to 30 days to actually see an improvement or the credit product just to hit your credit profile. So if you go to your local credit union or your bank right now, I promise you, and you go get a credit card right now, let's say you get it, you get approved, everything of that nature. I promise you, it's gonna take 30 days for it to hit your credit report, because that's how the billing cycle works with credit. But with Ava, they're telling you, just give us 7 days, and I promise you, you're gonna see a raise in your credit score. And with their loan, they have 0 interest and no additional fees. Come on. We already know we go to some other places and we'll see some type of secure savings loan or something like that, and they want a little bit off the top. But with Ava, they're just here to try to help you build your credit. You can actually set aside $25 to $100 per month for the actual loan itself. It's your choice. They don't choose it for you. It's your choice how much you want to actually implement. And they also tell you right here that you will get your money back after the term loan is up. And the term loan literally goes from 12 all the way up to 24 months. So how can you not like this game changer of a secure savings loan? So you can literally have this term loan showing up on your profile and boost your credit score 50 points or more. And don't forget, in some cases, loans hold more weight than credit cards. It all depends what type of underwriter is actually looking at it, but they see it as, wow, they can actually implement and work with an actual loan and pay it off actually on time. You look more mature to them. Now, in the next product I want to go over, which they had, I already said it again, their Ava Credit Card. Again, there's no interest and there's no deposit. And I know you're probably wondering, why would they ask for a deposit or anything like that? Ava's credit card is more so going to help you boost your credit again. So in a lot of cases, when it comes to credit cards, this can actually go as a secured credit card. And if you go to your local credit union, they're going to ask you to put a deposit down that's going to be your credit limit. And that's how much you have to put. But with Ava, they're not asking you for no deposit. They're gonna put everything on there for you. Ava literally said, if you have a low credit score, it doesn't matter. We still not gonna ask for a deposit. We got you. Ava states that their credit limit is based on their spending habits, so they will try to link up to your bank account to see what type of spending habits you have and what you can actually afford. And they give you the ability to use this $2,500 on online merchants and the Ava store. So they're not just actually just limiting you to their products or anything. There's actually certain online merchants that you can actually use. So if you get both products right now, you will see an automatic 100-point increase on your credit profile. This is what I'm telling you right now, ladies and gents. If you don't have what you need on your credit profile, these are the two things that you need. You will instantly thicken your credit profile with a loan and a credit card. And if you already have a credit card or a loan that you're using right now, this is going to be even more beneficial. 2 products for the price of 1, you can't beat that. All right, so with these type of videos, I like to give alternatives on how you can also remove negatives as well. So with that, you know, I always love to show you how you can boost your credit score, but I also show you, again, how to remove negatives as well. I just don't like to give you an unbalanced video, all right? And I know in a lot of cases, I've already talked about Smart Credit. Smart Credit is an automatic software that can help you remove things. But some people actually don't want to get primary trade lines and sometimes pay for Smart Credit. It's cool. I get it. I totally understand. So what I want to do is give you different varieties on how you can get this done. Let's say you actually want to actually send in dispute letters to get these negatives removed. That's fine. I got you right here, because you can use these 2 laws right here to get negatives removed, and you can add them to your dispute letters. So I'm telling you, watch out for this. So the laws that I'm referring to is 15 USC 1681 EB, 15 USC 1681 5A. Both of these actually work hand in hand when it comes to removing things off your credit report. A lot of people tell you that, oh, you just need to send in and tell them that this is not yours, and then it comes back verified and things of that nature. This is the proper way, even on how credit cleaning companies get things removed off of their clients' credit report. So I'm actually giving you extra sauce on top of this, all right? So let's go ahead and go into what 15 USC 1681 EB states, all right? So let's go ahead and read this right here. It states, whenever a consumer reporting agency prepares a consumer report, it shall follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy of the information concerning the individual about whom the report relates. I know I gave you a bunch of jargon right there, meaning it means that the credit reporting agencies are supposed to follow the code that I just gave you, making sure that your credit report is accurate. And if it's not, then this is where 1681 5A comes in. It's a double whammy. But before I get into that, I just want to tell you again, this is why everything is supposed to be super 100% accurate on your credit profile, all right? And we already know, if we look at it right now, something is going to be wrong with it. Something's going to be up, like, hold on, this isn't right, why is it showing different dates, different amounts, things of that nature? We got them, I promise you. Now let's get into 1681 5A. It states that even if after any reinvestigation under paragraph 1 of any information disputed by a consumer, an item of the information is found to be inaccurate or incomplete or cannot be verified, the consumer reporting agency shall promptly delete the item of information. So right here, we just talked about everything that's actually not accurate on my credit report. And then you're supposed to actually follow procedure, and you're supposed to delete anything that's incomplete, cannot be verified, anything of that nature. It has to be deleted under the consumer law right here. Come on, Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, I'm giving you all the things right here. You need to remove this. So again, with that being said, so you can take this information right here and apply it to your dispute letters. And please, ladies and gents, please make sure that you send your dispute letter certified mail. Get that little green slip, okay? Because that is your proof that you sent that information in. And go ahead, send it to the credit bureaus. And after a couple of months, you should see these inaccuracies being removed from your credit report. And not only by you, again, adding Ava to your credit report, you will also see your score improve time and time again. So you'll get that 100-point increase, and you'll get these negatives removed. That could be a 25, 30, 40, 50-point increase right there. And again, if you still have trouble right there, we can always schedule a one-on-one, and I will be glad to help you, ladies and gents. I promise you, I'm here to also help all of you guys because I was in the same position as well. So again, if you need that, click the link in my bio and you can get set up with Ava Credit or any other primary trade line, and you can also get a one-on-one consultation with me. So use this strategy to put your credit in position so you can get approved and never be denied again. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now go do this strategy right here, right? And until next time, ladies and gents.